Ever seen a baby monkey treat a toy like it pays rent? Yeah, this is Punch, and that toy, that's his whole world. He was abandoned at birth, too young, too weak, too inconvenient. So zookeepers gave him a stuffed toy, and Buddy said, "This is my mom now." He never lets go, eats with it, sleeps with it. Even when bigger monkeys mess with him, he holds tighter like, "Not today, Karen." But wait, real quick, if you love your mom, drop "I love mom" in the comments right now. Let's see who's real. Day by day, Punch got stronger. The same monkeys? Now they protect him. And he even found a favorite human. Maybe his real mom had a reason, but somehow, love still found him anyway. And here's the crazy part. He still won't let go of that toy, because to him, it never let go first.